Hey everyone, today we're going to show you how to register for an HSBC bank account online so you can manage your accounts, pay bills and track all your finances from your computer or phone. So first up, head over to the official HSBC website. That's hsbc.co.uk. And once you're there, you then have to click on the register button at the top right corner of the homepage. This will then take you to the online banking registration page. Next, you then have to enter some personal information. Things like your account number, sort code, and your personal details like your date of birth and address. HSBC uses this information to verify your identity and link your online account to your bank account. And after that, you then have to create a username and password. So simply make sure your password is strong, like a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols is best. You then also have to set up some security questions, so this helps your account stay safe if you ever need to reset your login information. And once all your information is entered, review everything to make sure it's correct, then click submit. HSBC will usually send you a confirmation code via SMS or email, depending on your contact preferences. So simply enter that code once you receive it to verify your identity. And that's it. So you'll then be registered for HSBC online banking. And from there, you'll then be able to log in anytime to check your balances, transfer money, pay bills, and even set up mobile banking if you want. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.